Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today we learned some good habits that make us happy and healthy. First one is personal hygiene. Stay clean and fresh. Brush your teeth twice a day, that's good for your teeth health. Wash your hands before eating and after playing, it's very necessary for your health. Next, you have to take a bath daily. It's good for your personal hygiene. Cover your mouth while sneezing or coughing. Next, keep your nails clean and trimmed always because you caught germs through your hands or nails. Next, we have healthy eating habits. Eat well to stay strong. You should eat healthy food and avoid junk food. Eat fruits and vegetables every day, which are full of vitamins and proteins that are very good for your health, and avoid junk food. Drink plenty of water and say no to junk food. You have to avoid too much junk food because it's not good for your health. Should drink plenty of water. Next, chew your food properly. Don't waste food. Take only what you need. Next, good manners and behavior. Kind words and actions matter. Say please and thank you. Whenever someone help you, say please and thank you. And greet everyone politely. Whenever you meet someone, greet each other and say good morning, good afternoon. Share with others. Always share your thing with your friends. Listen when someone is speaking. When someone is speaking to you, listen to them carefully. Don't talk while they are speaking. Say sorry when you make a mistake. It's very important. You should say sorry when you made a mistake. Daily routine and discipline now. A good routine helps us grow. Sleep early and wake up on time. It's very good for your health. You should sleep early and then wake up in morning on time. Finish your homework before playing. It's your responsibility. It's to finish your homework on time. Then pack your school bag before sleeping. This is your responsibility. You should pack your bag before going to bed. Next, your responsibility is to limit your screen time, play more, watch less because it's not good for your eyes and your mental health. So, should play more. Helping and responsibility. Be responsible and helpful to others. Keep your room clean. This is also your responsibility to keep your room clean after playing. Put your toys in their proper place. Help parents with small tasks. You should help your parents in small tasks like while cooking, folding clothes. Next, be kind to animals. Always show kindness to animals, feed them, and take care of your pet animals. Next, turn off lights and fans when not in use. After leaving the room, you should turn off the light to save electricity. Good habits make us better every day. Let's practice good habits and grow into a kind, healthy, and responsible kid. Bye for now. Stay healthy and follow all these good habits. Take care.